Taking a look at this tunnel project, which is nearing completion, I think I'm going to make a few changes. This top, I'm going to change it so that it's more like a decal, like a circle within the center, so that I can put elements around that. So let's go ahead and do that. First things, I'm going to hit Tab and go into Edit mode, having selected this object. I'm going to, just for the moment, I'm going to go turn off my X-ray mode, and I'm going to go ahead and I've already changed the viewport shading to solid, although that really wasn't necessary. I'm going to select this face. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push E on my keyboard to extrude, and right away I'm going to push Enter. Nothing appears to have happened, but basically what happened is I've got now two faces occupying the same space. So, with the face that I just extruded, if I go ahead and push Scale, we will see that I've got something happening there. That I was able to create this circle with all of these things moving in towards it. So let me look at it from the top view. I'm going to scale it down much more. I'm not going to be shy here. So I'm pushing S on my keyboard and scaling it down quite a bit more. And when I'm happy with that, I'll just go ahead and I'll push Enter on my keyboard, and we should be good. Now, of course, what's happened is I've created a area that goes back down into the mesh. So let's take a look at that and resolve that. I push 3 on my keypad to go into side mode, or into this view from the side. I think I'll pop back into X-ray mode so I can see the face that I have selected easily. And I'm going to push G to grab, and I'll just push the up arrow since I'm in a straight on side view, and it'll move it only on the Z axis. And I'm just going to kind of do that, get it so that it's lined right back up where it initially was, and push Enter. And now when I take a look at this, well, let's get out of X-ray mode and put it back into material preview, and we can see that I've got that part of things handled.